Happy Friday, everybody. It's Cal, your triple net broker here for the Net Lease Daily Briefing. Apologies, haven't made a recording a couple of days. It's been down with a bit of a cold, but back at it. And as we do every Friday, go over some of the top triple net transactions that happened for this week ending January 12th. Before that, just want to recap some of the news that happened this week. The major news, of course, markets overall have dipped a bit because inflation data came in higher than expected. The CPI was estimated coming at 3.2. It came in at 3.4%. And, not a big push to the upside, but still that I think caused some jitters in the market with the last couple of estimates coming in at or below expectations. Excluding the food and energy prices, core CPI rose 0.3% for the month, and then 3.9% from a year ago. The estimates were 0.3%, which so monthly that was in line, and then 3.8% on an annual basis for core CPI. So that came in a little bit higher than expected, but no, I don't think it's the end of the world. And just looking at the Fed Watch tool here, the overall sentiment is still that the next Fed meeting, which is going to happen in about 2 weeks or so, 93+% of market participants still believe that the Fed's fund rate, which is 5.25 to 5.50, is going to stay the same. And then if I click here for March, there's still conviction here that the rates are going to drop by March. So we'll see what happens. Walmart here is expanding drone delivery services in the Dallas-Fort Worth MSA. That's the largest Metroplex MSA in the U.S. And they're delivering to residences within 6 miles of a Walmart location. This has been in talks for a lot of years, and I think this is going to continue to grow. So again, if this is a growing trend and other retailers do catch up, it'll be interesting to see how this affects the overall retail market. And then this statistic I've seen for a while now. U-Haul does a study in terms of how much they're charging to go to certain destinations one way in different states. And as you can see here on the right side, Texas, Florida, North Carolina are the top 3 states. So what this means is these are the states that most people are moving to. And again, it's important to keep track of these metrics, especially if you're buying a net lease asset for the long term. So going here into the transactions for the week, 15 plus deals. Again, it's a fast food QSR concept. It takes the top spot in terms of having the lowest cap rate here. Taco Bell here in Maryland with the new 25-year absolute triple net lease sold $2.2 million at a 4.55 cap. And even McDonald's, despite being a lower, under 10 years in the remaining lease term, sold at a sub-5 cap here. McDonald's, again, is considered the gold standard in the net lease world. Them and, I would say In-N-Out and Chick-fil-A and Chipotle as well, right? We've seen a lot of Chipotle's trade at a sub-5 cap despite the rates still being high. On the opposite end, it's, again, typically a Dollar General. This one had 10 years left. Maybe there was an 8 cap that still seemed high. So I'm wondering if there was actually less term or if there was an early termination. But typically, it's these short-term leases, like this is a healthcare medical office facility here in Ohio that traded at a 7.5 cap with 6 years remaining. So again, we're seeing a lot of strength here in the QSRs and the 7-Elevens here. One here traded 5.65 cap, despite having a short-term lease. Interesting. But it is in Florida, and it's a smaller price point, at $2.5 million, where a lot of 7-Elevens, especially the new construction ones, are $5 million plus. So again, I think going into 2024, the demand and the strength seems to still be in the convenience store, C-store market, QSRs, fast food, and auto parts. And then also, if you want a higher cap rate, you want a 6+ cap, dollar stores like Dollar General still are the largest asset class that investors are gravitating toward. So that's it for me, guys. Have a great weekend. Please subscribe. And again, always message me if you want more details on any specific transaction. Take care.